Hello everyone, this is Dr. Leena Takar, expert Ayurveda physician, coming to you from my home, really in my home attire on Sunday. And I'm seeing so many of you are really liking my page and you are on my page, and I'm sure that you are on my page because you love holistic healing. You understand that Ayurveda healing is absolutely a beautiful, profound and healing journey. Hello everyone who is watching me live. Please show me in the comment section where are you watching me from. Connecting with everyone on Sunday, just in relaxed way, and would love to know where you are watching me from. I would love to know where you are based, and I would love to know you, and I would love to know where you are watching me from. This is Dr. Leena Takar, expert Ayurveda physician, a speaker and author. I have authored 5 books, and one of them is international bestseller. And I'm also creator and founder of Heal Without a Pill program, which is the #1 holistic healing incubator on the planet, because these are my 27 years of Ayurvedic healing proven principles that I empower individuals and group to heal naturally and literally improve your immunity, improve your energy, come out of that chronic fatigue and exhaustion, making sure you are literally embracing natural healing proven principles, natural healing proven principles as my support as expert Ayurveda physician. And you can really potentially reverse your chronic health condition, integrating the wellness approach, well-being approach, and that is so important and critical. So welcome everybody on my page, and having some some time here connecting with all of you on Sunday. And this is such a beautiful, profound healing that I bring to all of you as my 27 years of my expert Ayurveda physician process and program. So many of you are joining me new here, and I welcome you to my page, and those who are already on my page here taking some time to connect with all of you on Sunday. We have next Monday our signature virtual workshop. I'm so excited for that. We have our signature workshop next Monday starting 11th of May. Thrive with Ayurveda in our holistic healing tribe. And that is why, if you guys want to connect with me and join and attend the workshop, please connect. And on that page you have on the right there says the group button, or visit the group, and you can really come and join me in our family, which is our tribe there, holistic health tribe. So coming here live with all of you to connect, please show me who are around and who are you watching with, and where are you based. I would love to connect with all of you at this time, and I would love to know where you are based and who are you hanging with. Is it your dog near you? Is it your cat near you? Do you have children around you? We are all, I would say, stuck. We are safe and happy at home. I always tell to my tribe and my family members that we are not stuck. We are happy and safe at home. And soon things will start coming back to reopening, right? Reopening, and the new normal, new normal begins. And we are going into 2020, remaining time in new normal, which obviously is going to take some time. So at this time, it is so important that you realize, and you probably have already, that entire world, the wellness has surfaced as top priority. The well-being has surfaced as top priority. Health is everything, and we all talk about it and we know about it, but never in the times that has been so relevant and so important, that entire world is realized, global our community is realizing, World Health Organization is realizing, and our absolutely government and medical systems are realizing that wellness and well-being has surfaced as a top critical priority. And basically, health is in our hands. Designing health is in our hands. Absolutely going into thrive mode instead of survive mode is so important. And that is why, as expert Ayurveda physician, I have stepped up and decided that I will connect to my community, my tribe, virtually, and really bring this support as Ayurveda holistic healing is a 5,000 years proven process, healing principles that absolutely help you improve your immunity, absolutely help you improve your energy, absolutely help you with protecting your health and staying healthy. But also it is such a profound science science that you can really reverse back to natural health care. So, I didn't know you were already out there, Girish. My husband is back there and I'm just talking to him. So this is very important to make sure that this is the critical time that we all connect. And Thrive with Ayurveda workshop starts next Monday 11th at Eastern time, 11 o'clock Eastern, 11th May 11 o'clock. I didn't realize that. 11th May 11 o'clock Eastern time, where we begin 5-day series of Thrive with Ayurveda workshop, where you can acknowledging is first important. Acknowledging the current challenges are so important. Acknowledge and then activate your natural healing powers, activate your own healing within, and then thank you so much for your likes, and then achieve the results you are seeking. And that is what you will learn in Thrive with Ayurveda workshop. Thrive with Ayurveda workshop is my way of offering the support to community at this critical time, stepping up to make sure that well-being, wellness and immunity is absolutely becomes top priority, and it becomes critically important regime for everyone to follow. And that is why Thrive with Ayurveda, which is a thriving with holistic healing and not just surviving with symptom management. Thriving with holistic healing, not just surviving with symptom management and only pill approach, but having integrative wellness, healthcare, integrative wellness healthcare. And that is why Thrive with Ayurveda is our signature workshop that is starting May 11th at 11 a.m. Every one of you who register for the workshop, yes, you need to register for the workshop, you get a worksheet to follow, and if you are in my tribe, we send you out the worksheet so that you can fill in during the workshop. So if you are absolutely stepping up to embrace your holistic healing, you need to make sure you join our tribe, which is up there at the button, visit our tribe, and that way we send you the workshop sheet, and that way you can follow in the workshop. So hope this is helpful. Sunday, taking time here to connect with all of you. Achieving the results with holistic healing is so possible when you acknowledge your current struggle and activate your natural healing powers as integrative wellness. And well-being and wellness is critically important right now. It has surfaced more relevant right now, and that is why I highly encourage you to join with us and Thrive with Ayurveda workshop journey and join our tribe, Holistic Health Tribe, which already 1,000 members we are reaching to. We are reaching to 1,000 members in just 1 month, and so many of you are connecting from Australia, New Zealand, UK, Canada, all over United States, California, Texas, Maryland, New York, New Jersey, Florida, everywhere. People are connecting, and we are already reaching 1,000 members here. So hope this time is really helpful to you, and it encourages you to take absolutely steps to design your health instead of facing life with default. And this is very important time that my support is here. I have stepped up to offer support to the community in the tribe, because wellness, well-being and improving immunity and energy has surfaced as top priority in entire globally absolutely now. And that is the time most relevant that wellness and well-being becomes the top urgent, critically important aspect of managing your health and coming out of that fatigue, chronic pain, autoimmune conditions, fibromyalgia, osteoarthritis, sleep issues, bowel habits issues, significant pain, trauma, emotional stress, relationship struggles. All of that absolutely add to digestive discomfort, IBS, weight issue, metabolic struggles, and also lot of hormonal issues, and going forward with headaches and migraines, and waking up with pain and waking up with low energy is the mode of surviving, not thriving. And that is why Thrive with Ayurveda support is here for you, and I so wish you join us in the workshop, which is in the tribe, Holistic Health Tribe, and you join our tribe family. Thank you so much. Here coming Sunday, I need to get back to my family life and serve lunch to my husband, and I'm coming here just to connect with all of you for a few minutes. I will see you in my tribe. Have a fantastic Sunday. Bring your well-being as urgent, critical, absolutely aspect in your healthcare. Integrative wellness is the best approach to your healthcare, not pills, medications, supplementation, confused diets, protein shake. Health is not in the confused and complex formulas. Health is not as confused and complex formulas. Health is simply in holistic healing and holistic well-being. I hope that makes sense to you. This is Dr. Leena Thakkar, expert Ayurveda physician, speaker and author, creator of and founder of Heal Without a Pill program, where this is #1 holistic healing incubator. I empower groups and individuals to heal naturally, and this is a 6 months to 1 year journey. If you are concerned with your physical health concerns or emotional mental health concerns, you want to connect with me, connect with my assistant Tonia, join our tribe, and we can set up a free 20 minutes of consultation with you to know where you are, and we can meet you where you are. Thank you so much. I will see you in my tribe, and Thrive with Ayurveda workshop starts next Monday 11th at 11 Eastern US time. I will see you then. Thank you.